Which European cars should you avoid that could drain your wallet and cause you trouble? Stick around because we're diving into 10 European cars you might want to avoid at all costs, which might look sleek and great, but there are some hidden issues. Find out whether any of these are on your wish list. Number 1. Fiat 500. The Fiat 500 might be charming, with its retro design and compact size making it look perfect for city life. But it's got some significant drawbacks. One of the biggest complaints about the Fiat 500 is its reliability. Owners have reported frequent issues with the engine, transmission, and electrical system, leading to costly repairs. The automatic transmission in particular has been notorious for sudden failures, and when it goes, it can be an expensive fix. The interior also doesn't hold up well over time, with parts like door handles and seats wearing out sooner than expected. On top of that, the small size that makes it great for city driving makes it less stable on highways, where it can feel wobbly and uncomfortable at higher speeds. With all these potential issues, many owners feel they spend more time and money fixing this car than driving it. Number 2. Jaguar XF. Jaguar is known for luxury, and the XF is no exception when it comes to design and elegance. But behind that sleek exterior and luxurious feel, the Jaguar XF hides a list of mechanical and electrical issues. One common problem is with the car's electrical system. Owners often experience glitches with the touchscreen interface, navigation system, and even the windows not working properly. Another weak spot is the engine. There have been reports of coolant leaks and timing chain issues, which can be incredibly costly to repair. While Jaguars have a reputation for providing a smooth and enjoyable driving experience, many XF owners end up frustrated with the car's frequent repairs. And if it's out of warranty, these fixes can add up quickly, making the XF a costly investment in the long run. Number 3. Renault Clio. The Renault Clio has long been popular in Europe as a small, affordable car for city driving, but it comes with its own set of issues that make it a car to avoid. One of the major complaints about the Clio is its poor build quality, which leads to problems with various parts failing sooner than expected. The electrical system is particularly troublesome, with issues ranging from faulty lights to malfunctioning sensors. The transmission has also been known to act up, especially in models with automatic gearboxes, which can result in jerky shifts and expensive repairs. While it might seem like a good budget option at first glance, these problems can make the Clio an expensive headache over time. Number 4. The Peugeot 207. The Peugeot 207 is another small car that, while popular for its compact size and affordable price, has a reputation for being unreliable. Owners have reported issues with both the engine and the transmission, and in many cases, these problems arise fairly early in the car's lifespan. The diesel engines in particular have been known to suffer from problems with the turbocharger and injectors, which can be very costly to fix. The car's suspension also tends to wear out quickly, leading to a rough and uncomfortable ride. Additionally, the interior materials are not very durable, and it's not uncommon to see wear and tear on the seats and controls. All in all, the Peugeot 207 may save you money initially, but the frequent repairs can quickly add up, making it a car to think twice about before buying. Number 5. BMW X5. The BMW X5 is a luxury SUV that promises power and performance, but it often falls short in terms of reliability. The biggest issue with the X5 is its complex and expensive to maintain engine. Owners frequently report problems with the fuel injectors, water pump, and even oil leaks, which can lead to extensive repairs if not addressed quickly. On top of that, the electronic systems in the X5 are prone to failure, from the iDrive infotainment system to the sensors that monitor everything, from tire pressure to oil levels. The cost of parts and labor for BMWs is generally higher than average, so any repair becomes a hefty expense. While the X5 may offer an enjoyable drive when it's running well, the high maintenance costs and frequent issues make it a risky choice for anyone looking for a dependable luxury SUV. Number 6. Audi A6. Audi's A6 is often admired for its design and luxurious feel, but this midsize sedan has some notable issues that make it a car to be cautious about. One common problem with the Audi A6 is oil consumption. Many owners have reported that the A6 burns through oil quickly, sometimes requiring frequent top-ups between scheduled oil changes. This issue is often linked to the car's turbocharged engines, which, while powerful, put additional strain on the engine components. The electrical system is another area where the A6 falls short, with malfunctions in the MMI, multimedia interface, air conditioning, and various sensors. Over time, these repairs can add up, especially if the car is out of warranty. The A6 may be tempting for its comfort and style, but the reliability concerns can make it a tough choice for the long term. Number 7. Volkswagen Passat. The Volkswagen Passat has long been a favorite for those looking for a practical family car, but it's not without its problems. The Passat has been known to suffer from transmission issues, particularly with the DSG, direct shift gearbox, in automatic models. These issues can result in jerky shifts and, in some cases, complete transmission failure, which is incredibly expensive to fix. Additionally, the Passat is notorious for electrical issues, with reports of malfunctioning windows, doors, and infotainment systems. The diesel models, particularly those affected by the Dieselgate scandal, have also raised concerns about emissions and long-term reliability. While the Passat might seem like a solid choice for a family sedan, these reliability issues and costly repairs are something to consider carefully. Number 8. Mini Cooper. Mini Coopers are undeniably cute and stylish, but they come with a host of
It costs 200,000 ringgit.
feeling once you're past the exterior. One of the most significant issues with the Mini Cooper is its transmission, especially in older models with the automatic CVT, continuously variable transmission, which is prone to early failure. The engine also has its share of problems, with issues like leaks, overheating, and turbocharger failures. These problems often require expensive repairs, especially since the engine compartment is compact and can make labor-intensive repairs more challenging and costly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more insights, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our latest content. What car would you avoid? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.